What's the plan today, Matthew?
Plan today is to get this little beast rocking and rolling. See if we can make a bit of progress. Only had her 2 years, so I thought let's draft the best mechanic I could find in. Who should be arriving.
Here he is, our Waynee B.
And we can crack on with removing the front subframe. What's happened? It's had a bash, it's bent the frame. So we've made a start, taking the lower arms and everything off there. There's one we're hopefully going to put on.
What's in there?
Oh shit, that's what's in there.
Matching hats and matching beards.
Luna, she's helping. Hello, Luna, you helping? She's helping.
Jacking up fresh air.
See how bent it is. So we know we've done the right thing, basically.
That's the old one then, is it?
Yeah, it's bent there. That one.
And that's one. The new one.
It's a bit of a rough way of doing it, but
How dirty your back is. What can you tell me about the progress then, Matthew?
Torsion bar slowed us down now. We've got to go over the fuel tank with a massive extension on the bar to put the bolt back in for the torsion bars.
I ain't brought one long enough.
Wayne's equipment isn't long enough.
No, it's a bit of a monkey's minge, I know, but